What is a quasi-judicial body? Explain with the help of concrete examples. 200 words, 12.5 marks. Introduction. Quasi-judicial bodies are specialized entities that can resolve disputes, make decisions, and impose penalties without being part of the traditional judicial system. They have powers similar to courts, making dispute resolution more efficient. Articles 323A and 323B of the Indian Constitution allow for the establishment of these bodies. Body. Constitutional provisions. Article 323A allows the creation of administrative tribunals to handle disputes related to public services. Article 323B empowers Parliament and state legislatures to set up tribunals for various issues like taxation, land reforms, and industrial disputes. Examples of quasi-judicial bodies in India. Central Administrative Tribunal, CAT, established under the Administrative Tribunals Act, 1985 to resolve disputes regarding public servants' recruitment and service conditions. Aims to provide quick resolution of grievances, reducing the burden on regular courts. National Green Tribunal, NGT, set up by the National Green Tribunal Act, 2010 to handle environmental disputes and enforce legal rights related to the environment. Can hear civil cases and impose penalties for violations. Competition Commission of India, CCI, established under the Competition Act, 2002 to prevent anti-competitive practices and protect consumer interests. Can investigate issues and impose penalties. Telecom Disputes Settlement and Appellate Tribunal, TDSAT, created by the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI, Act, 1997 to resolve disputes in the telecommunications sector. Focuses on cases involving telecom service providers and broadcasting companies. Conclusion. Quasi-judicial bodies play a vital role in providing efficient and specialized dispute resolution mechanisms, complementing the traditional judiciary and addressing the complexities of modern society.